Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch. This is the S9 Ultra. Let's go. Guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have a new smartwatch. This is the S9 Ultra. So if you're interested guys, you can tap on the link in the description box and you can see this item. Okay, so it has an H design guys, so it looks really nice. Let's open this one. Alright guys, so I already took out the plastic, so let's open here. Okay, wow, the look guys, it looks really familiar. It says there is S9 Ultra smartwatch. It uses fitpro application. So if you have any questions, just refer to your manual guys. Wow, take a look at that. It has 3 straps in it. So we have here the silicone, the orange silicone one, and we have here like the silver colored strap. Okay, and also this is the another strap here, which is more like a cloth. It's really also a perfect gift guys, especially this holiday season. So let's take this one out. Okay, and there you go guys, it has a screen cover. And anyway, so this is the parts here. This is like the speaker grill, and here this is a microphone, the crown, and also the button here. So let's see what these buttons are. And here guys, this is the charging cable. Hey guys, we are back, and then let's check what this watch has. Again, let's count 1 2 3 4. Okay, it has 4 watch faces guys. And then we scroll down, so we have here the message shortcut, and we scroll up, so we have here some widgets like airplane mode and okay, those other features. Let's see the other features of this watch. So we have here dialer, okay, phone book, heart rate, so they can check the heart rate guys. As you can see, sensors are lighting up, but this is not really like recommended, especially if you have heart problem. Then we also have here the blood oxygen level, Facebook, SOS, health, tricyclic, ECG, sports, and then we also have here WhatsApp, okay, camera, blood pressure, music, Twitter, reset, weather, sleep, looking for calculator, calendar, menu style, message, stopwatch, QR code, more. We have here set the time, backlight time, so let's say 1 minute, and then bed lamp, cover screen, function, key set, screensaver. We have also games, so snake. Wow guys, so if you're interested, you can also play snake in this watch. Those are the functions of the watch guys. So it's not heavy, so it's pretty lightweight. And then we also have here these, when you tap here, you have here the shortcuts. Yes, and then also when we tap this orange button, so it will direct you to different sports. Okay guys, so for me this watch is really nice, especially if you're looking for a gift. So this can be a perfect present to your loved ones. Okay, it's not expensive guys. You can already get this one for around 800 to 1000 pesos. Okay, so I will be wearing this one guys, and I will show you what it looks like. So in my case guys, so I will be using this strap. So let's wear this one. So this is the 9 Ultra smartwatch. If you're interested, guys, just tap on the link in the description box and then let me know, guys, what about your thoughts about this smartwatch. So if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you in our next video.